designing and building robots that can perform tasks and solve real-world problems.
We also have a panel of distinguished judges who will be evaluating the robots based on the design, functionality, and overall performance. So get ready to witness an awe-inspiring display of technology and engineering as these talented teams compete for the top spot. Without any ado, let the Wizbot Mania program begin. Let's start this event with the holy verses from the Quran, Hirat by Umar Nasir.
Unless you take action. The surest way to make your dreams come true is to live them. Welcome to those who believe in the power of dreams and who would like to join us in the exploration of Wizbot, the combination of wisdom and robot. I am extremely honored to have this opportunity to address you all this prestigious moment, remembering Wizbot Mania and inter-school robotics and artificial intelligence competition. I am pleased to welcome Mr. Abdul Malik Wasim, Secretary, Correspondent, Wisdom Park Preschool. We welcome you, sir, and it's an honor to be graced by your presence today. Welcome, sir. On behalf of this institution and entire fraternity, I extend my amiable welcome to the respected judges of Wizbot Mania, Mr. Akhil Mahesh, Mr. Advik Gupta, Mr. Rajan Iyer, Mr. Rushev Nampalliwar, and Mr. Siddharth, robotic club members from VIT Vellore. Give a big round of applause and welcome them. I thank you for sparing your valuable time to grace us with your majestic presence here this morning. Welcome, robotic club members. We would like to heartily welcome Mr. Balasimha, Team Leader, Chrysalis, and Ms. Kadambari, Senior Associate, Chrysalis. Thank you, Madam. Thank you for sparing your time. I express a hearty welcome to our esteemed Principal, Mr. Sadiq Basa, for all the efforts and approval. Thank you, sir, for lending the continuous support. I would like to welcome, in my modest words, Headmistress, Academic Coordinator, Event Coordinator, all the teaching and non-teaching staff who render the sincere efforts for the growth of institution. Welcome everybody. I express a cordial welcome to the supportive parents of our dazzling stars for believing in us in this beautiful journey of transformation through technology. We are fortunate to have so enthusiastic and talented boys and girls from grade 11 who are involved in planning, organizing, directing, funding and coordinating to make this event Wizbot Mania and Inter-School Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Competition. I extend a heartfelt gratitude to all the 11th graders. I heartily welcome the participants of various schools, school coordinators for their lovely presence. Thank you for the support and cooperation. We welcome you all on behalf of Wisdom Park International School. Lastly, I desire to take this opportunity to honor and take privilege to welcome you here, my dear Wisdomites. If you are not there, we are not here. We welcome you all. Once again, on behalf of Wisdom Park International School, I welcome everyone to make this event a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome.
Now, I request our ardent principal to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to all. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Abdul Malik Wasim sir, Correspondent of Wisdom Park Preschool, young guests from VIT Vellore, Vice Principal, Headmistress, my colleague, parents and my beloved students. Today It's a historic day for the Wisdom Park International School and for the entire district. Because this event, it's a very new kind of program, an inter-school competition on robotics and artificial intelligence, which is held in our school. It is completely planned and executed by our grade 11 students. We are extremely proud and happy that our students of grade 11 are so capable to organize such a important and big event based on the technology based for the first time. I also thank guests from VIT for their support and cooperation in organizing this event and helping our young minds. When we look at the history, the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in 1950. He is considered as the father of artificial intelligence. According to him, the science and engineering of making intelligent machines and programs is called artificial intelligence. There is no doubt that AI and robotics are two of the most transformative technologies of our time. They have already started to change the way we live and work, and their impact is only going to grow in the years to come. What's more, these technologies are only going to become more commonplace in the years ahead. There are number of ways AI and robotics will shape our future, both in terms of the positive impact they will have as well as the challenges they will pose.
Also, difficult team and the Russia Tech First IITB RoboWorks by Knockouts participated and organized RoboWorks with one of India's largest RoboWorks arena ever. I request the members on the dais to felicitate the guest of the day. Please, sir. It's a teamwork, so they have done best engineering design and RoboWorks in 2018. Next. Mr. Ajay Gupta. Aditi ranked internationally by IIT Textile. Mr. Rajanayo. As a team, they got third position in Durgashta 2019 RoboWorks Anna Street. Mr. Rishabh. They also visited Team and Russia Tech First IITB RoboWorks by Knockout. And Mr. Siddharth. So Mr. Siddharth, as a team, they participated and organized RoboWorks with one of the India's largest RoboWorks arena ever. Thank you.
By telling what our club stands for, being the first club in robotics in PIT, we stand to conduct research on robots and build battle bots that compete in the biggest competitions in India and the world. So we are comprising of members from first year, second years and third years from PIT. And while managing academic, focus on combining projects that may include design from mechanical engineers, electronics from electrical engineers, and as one of your teachers talked about, AI from computer science engineers. These are some of the events we conduct. So machine design is an event that basically teaches you to design your own robots from scratch, and the design taught over there is so advanced that you can learn to build your own battle bots in just a few days. And hands-on robotics.
First of all, I would like to thank the dignitaries of Wisdom Park International School and the management team for coordinately inviting us to this amazing event. And we are very grateful for the dignitaries to have us appointed as the judges. We just right now were participating in a competition in Gujarat at Parel University, and I just flew a long distance from all over Gujarat to here to see the tech minds that are creating innovative projects right now. And by the looks of it, I think that that long trip will definitely be worth it. So we at Robotics are all about integrating various fields of engineering into creating a robot that can that has a purpose in society. So basically, VIT is a great platform for us. They actually gave us a lot of support to pursue robotics as a field of interest, and VIT actually offers us a lot of resources that can be used in building various type of robots. VIT also has to have their place in VIT. I would definitely suggest that they are on the right track by creating innovative projects. These innovative projects are what definitely will get you into VIT. Please look forward. There are multiple exams that VIT conducts. One of the most famous one is VIT EEE, and they also conduct their admission protocols through IIT JEE. So please continue with these amazing innovative projects. You can definitely put them up in your profile and prepare for different type of exams. And VIT is definitely a great place for you to grow these exceptional projects into something that is productive and that can be implemented into society. So that is a brief introduction. We also have our team Orcus, which is affiliated with Robotics and works under Robotics. We create the bots that you saw before. Those who did not get a gist about those robots, that actually those robots have a weapon on them. So the thing is, robots don't only serve a purpose of creating an impact on the society, but they also sometimes are a recreational hobby of us hobbyists that like to build robots just for fun. And we thought of making it even more crazy by attaching a weapon on a robot and taking it up to competitions and just making it fight with other robots to see which one survives the last. So that was the competition I was attending, and I'm very happy to tell you all guys that we are actually in the semi-finals right now. And today will be the finals, and we hope that we'll be winning the competition. So looking really forward to judging those great projects we can see, and again big thanks to the dignitaries of Wisdom Park International. We are very happy to be here, and thank you so much.
It looks like a drone, but it's not a drone. It's a spy camera which records the video for 24 hours and save in a memory card which is inside this, and delete the video after 24 hours because we added a coding in this which erases data after 24 hours. The live recording of the camera. If we remove this, you can't describe its recording mode, but it's recording mode. No.
means sleepiness during the day. An application to keep car driver awake. Also, it was designed for car driver. It can also be used in any other situation where you need to stay awake.
It's used to spy for the army. It's used in military-based model. We can use spy. It works with the principle of Arduino Uno. We can control this board with the white, and we can spy with the camera. And this camera have micro sound, which can be heard up to ultrasound. When enemies attack, before attacking the enemies, we can send this over and we will get alerted and we will get planned and we will save our lives. India uses 1,600 army yearly without going to war. If we go to war, how much it costs? Without going to war, 1,600 militaries are dying in India. To save their lives, we have made this robot. They are saving us, we should save them.
We have named this project as Smart Bridge. It is to avoid issues such as flooding of bridges. We have used the Arduino board and servo motors, 2 servo motors and soil moisture sensor. Actually, this sensor comes under the bridge. When the water level increases and the water touches this this sensor, it automatically increases the height of the bridge. When the water decreases, the bridge goes to its normal height.
ಇದೊಂದೇ 3D ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ரெண்டு 3D ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ ஒன்று வந்து 2D ಪ್ರಿಂಟರ್ 3D ಪ್ರಿಂಟர் ஒரு 2D பிரிண்டரில் வந்து ஒரே ஒரு சைடு தான் பிரிண்ட் ஆகும் இப்போ இது ஒரு சைடு தான் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு 3D பிரிண்டரில் அப்படி வராது இப்போது இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஷேப் பண்ணிப்போம் ஒரு ஆப்பில் இப்போது 3 சைடு இருக்குது X, Y and Z 3 ஆக்சிஸ் இருக்குது அதனால இது சாம்பிள்
இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வேணும். இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் இது வந்துச்சு,
மவுஸோட இது வந்துச்சு.
இப்போ இதோட எல்லா டைமென்ஷனுமே வந்து எடுத்துக்கிட்டு நம்ம ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இருக்குது. அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேரில் போயிட்டு நம்ம என்ன டைமென்ஷன் இருக்கோ, எக்ஸாம்பிள் 2 சென்டிமீட்டர்னா 2 சென்டிமீட்டர் 5 சென்டிமீட்டர் போட்டாங்க டிசைன் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்லைசர் சாஃப்ட்வேர் இருக்குது. அந்த ஸ்லைசர் சாஃப்ட்வேரில் போயிட்டு ஸ்லைசர் சாஃப்ட்வேர் எதுக்குனாக்கா இப்போ ஒரு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நூல் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த நூல் மாதிரி வந்து ஸ்லைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஒரு பாக்ஸ், எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு பாருங்க. இந்த பாக்ஸ் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ வேணும், ஃபிசிக்கலாகவே வரும். பிளாஸ்டிக் மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி வேணும்னாக்கா இதே மாதிரி அப்படியே பிரிண்ட் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறோம். அது எப்படி பிரிண்ட் பண்ணுதுனாக்கா இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் தான். இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் வந்து இந்த ஹீட்டரில் போயிட்டு மெல்ட் ஆகிட்டு இங்கேருந்து வந்து விழும். இதுக்கு பேர் வந்து ஹீட் பெட். இதில் வந்து மெல்ட் ஆகிட்டு இதில் பிடிச்சிக்கும். நம்ம எல்லா பொருளுமே செய்யலாம். இதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆன பொருள்னா வந்து ஸ்டெப்பர் மோட்டர், 5 ஸ்டெப்பர் மோட்டரு, ஒரு Arduino மெகா போர்டு, ரேம்ஸ் 3D பிரிண்டர் போர்டு, 4 ஸ்டெப்பர் டிரைவர், இது 12 வோல்ட் பவர் சப்ளை. இது எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்.
It can touch means that will be sound.
So this works on ropes, so it can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So with the help of this, we can also use this as an escalator. So an escalator is a moving staircase which is used for transportation between floors and levels. It was invented by Jesse Rani on 1981. The first name for this escalator was an moving staircase, but after trademarket of Otis Elevator Company changed its name as an escalator. So it has many types including ramp box and sidewalks. So it is also a specialist form of an escalator.
So what are the materials you used?
Buzzer, LED, transistor, LDR, laser light, battery and switch.
Can you operate?